Welcome to the unboxing video for the GlasWeld Gforce Max Essential Kit. Now, if you're working with glass at all, no doubt you run into scratches from time to time. Doing glass scratch removal is very important because it can help save money, save time, even potentially save customers and your own reputation. No doubt at some point you've run into situations where you've received a piece of glass that had a scratch on it, and that can possibly cause delays, customer issues, rescheduling problems, and expense. So the Gforce Max Essential Kit is designed to tackle that with a one-step, quick, easy solution for removing incidental scratches in just a few minutes. It's a great kit for auto glass technicians, as an example. If you're doing auto glass and you receive windshields occasionally with a scratch on them, certainly that's not always your problem, but you do have to deal with the consequences of that in dealing with your customers. So being able to have an economical, affordable system that's a great value to be able to remove those scratches quickly can really help you stay on schedule and solve a lot of those problems. It's also a great option for auto glass distributors, for glass fabricators, for detailers if you're working on cars and you run into occasional wiper scratches, window tinters that might have an occasional scratch caused during the tinting process, or anybody else in the small glass shop setting that runs into incidental damage. And maybe you just don't have enough of it to justify having one of the higher level kits. But this kit will be able to tackle all those incidental scratches with just the one-step process, distortion free, and very easy to do. So we'll go ahead and pop this open. You'll notice here right off the bat that it comes in a really nice high quality case, IP67 rated case, waterproof, dust proof. So it is designed to protect these custom tools that you'd be investing in. So you notice right here you got your quick start guide. That's the first thing you'll notice when you open up the kit. This just teaches you how to use the Gforce Max. We also have a quick start video available, as well as more comprehensive training videos online as well that will step you through the different steps of the process to get comfortable with taking scratches out of all types of glass. Now, the other thing you'll notice once we open this up is the core tool. The Gforce Max itself is a custom design tool that was built from the ground up specifically for glass scratch removal. You'll notice that it's got a built-in water feed system. So there's a button right here in the handle, making it extremely ergonomic. So regardless of whether you're left-handed or right-handed, you can easily access that button. It gives you a lot of control over the tool. Really easy to operate it, especially because it runs at a high speed. That design makes it a lot simpler to use. So you'll also notice that on the back of the Gforce Max, there's these little quick connect fittings. Now that's designed to connect to this custom pressurized water bottle. So you fill this up with water, then you just simply press this in, snap it in place, pump it up to pressurize the bottle, and then the water will feed right out through the center of the Gforce Max tool. So custom designed to make it really easy to operate. You also notice that this water feed system has a strap on it. So for you mobile auto glass technicians, it's designed to strap right here on your belt, and that allows you, again, to work right on a customer's vehicle or on a glass stand or in a small shop setting. Regardless of where you are, this system will allow you to tackle those different situations. You'll also notice inside here that we have a GFCI. So this GFCI plugs from the Gforce Max tool into any plug on the wall. This just allows you to stay OSHA compliant no matter where you're working, whether you're out working off an extension cord or working in a building. This GFCI allows you to make sure that you're always OSHA compliant. So we'll put that back in here, as well as the Gforce Max tool. And then let's take a quick look at the supplies that you get with the Gforce Max Essential Kit. So we'll pop this open. And inside here, we'll first off notice the core supply here, which is a small tube of Gforce polishing compound. Now this polishing compound is a large part of what does the magic of this distortion-free glass scratch removal process. You have enough polishing compound to do about 25 to 30 hours of scratch removal. So you got a significant amount of supplies there to handle dozens of scratches that might come up, as well as a polishing disc. This should also last about 20 hours worth of use. That goes in conjunction with the backer pad. It's a soft, self-leveling backer pad that attaches to the Gforce Max tool and has a specially designed hole drilled right in the middle of it that also feeds through the polishing disc. So that allows you to set up these two together, attach that to the drill, put some compound on the disc itself, and that's how you begin your polishing process. In addition to that, we have safety glasses, earplugs, a spatula in case you need it, and a small wrench to remove the backer pad from the drill. And that's your supplies for the Gforce Max Essential Kit. So again, it's got all of the supplies for the one-step process, which is completely distortion free, quick, simple, and easy to do dozens of scratches in a mobile or a shop setting. So it's got a lot of benefits for doing glass scratch removal, regardless of what your budget is. If you run into scratches sometimes, this is a great option for you to be able to tackle those issues quickly and easily and without any distortion. Stay on schedule, be able to keep working. We want to invite you guys to like our social media pages, our Facebook, Instagram, YouTube page. Follow along. There's lots of additional training resources that you'll have access to there as well. And if you have any additional questions about the Gforce Max Essential Kit, please do not hesitate to contact us at all. Thanks for tuning in.